What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I plan on going all in on Shiba, and I know a lot of people don't like that term because that's kind of clickbaity, right? Which is the title of this video. That's kind of what you need to do on YouTube right now. I mean, that's just how things work. But I do plan on going all in on Shiba, but not to the understanding of what all in means for you. Basically saying that I would take all of my expendable money and put it into Shiba. I plan on, you know, using my mental capacity for Shiba Inu while also using the physical money that I would gain from these burn challenge videos and actually going all in on Shiba to burn as much Shiba as I can. However, those videos are not really getting a lot of views. So if you guys want to check those views out or check those videos out, the link will be up in the cards somewhere. Definitely check it out. Watch the video. If you watch the video, then we end up burning Shiba from it. So definitely go ahead and check that out, whether we get one ad or you get 5 ads in the video. We're going to find a way to burn Shiba, and I'll go through one of the videos here today. So first, before we get started in the detail of Shiba Inu, make sure you guys hit the like button, also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below, and also check out some of the links in the description so you guys can check out my channels, every channel that I have across YouTube. But let's talk about what Shiba Inu did today, because people are upset and they always say, like, what's going on with Shiba? Like, can we expect any positive news with Shiba? Why are we seeing like negative information on Shiba? I mean, there's always something negative that a different news source has to say. But when we look at the overall position, you can see here 7% and basically down 8% is not really the best look. Right now we just basically pulled below Dogecoin. When it comes to market cap, we're not above Dogecoin. Dogecoin is at 27 cents, and I believe the market cap, if I go back, the market cap for Dogecoin is at 35.7 billion, and the market cap for Shiba is at 34.3 billion. So definitely seeing a difference there. Definitely seeing a change in where they are on that list. But if I go into Shiba just a little bit, just to understand what the price did, it went from about 0.00007 to 0.00006. So it has dropped a little bit in price. The circulating supply hasn't really changed. That's something that I don't like to see, is the circulating supply not changing. You can also see the popularity is at 8, and we have 10 typical days of hold time here. Sorry, I have a baby that's up at the top of the steps and she's calling for Carl and me. So it's interesting, but we're going to have to deal with it. Uh, we can see here that you guys can't hear it probably because I have a low sound floor. But anyways, we can see here the 10 days typical hold time, number 8 in popularity. Also, the circulating supply, we can see the volume did go up. It's at 28% up, 5.6 billion in the last 24 hours. So that's definitely good to see. Let's look at this, because what I wanted to show you guys here is an article from Michael Burry. Apparently, the person that shorted Tesla by a massive amount is talking about how Shiba is pointless. And I think cryptocurrency is not really like all cryptocurrency doesn't really have a true point to it. I mean, I understand how cryptocurrency, they want it to get to a certain level where it's like, all right, well, you don't want to just sell Bitcoin, you want to use it. Well, I've always said, why would you want to use an appreciating asset for a depreciating asset? It made no sense to me at all. So that was something that I didn't understand. But that's with crypto in general. But to say that Shiba is pointless when it's obviously making people money and it's obviously has a great, good use case behind it. I wouldn't say great, but a good use case behind it. I don't see the point in him coming out and saying something like this, especially coming from the person that shorted Tesla, and saying that it's not going to get over $1,000. And I don't know what he did with his positions then, but I know he must have sold off on those positions or covered those positions. So I just wanted to show this because basically Michael Burry is coming out and saying that Shiba is pointless. And again, this comes from the person that shorted Tesla, and Tesla got up to $1,200 recently. So I don't know. I'll leave it at that. But with this video, I wanted to take you guys through exactly what I plan to do. So here's my video analytics for the burn video, the first burn video that I did. It doesn't really have as many ads in there, but for some reason people are saying they're getting a good amount of ads. The issue that I'm seeing here is obviously people aren't getting a crazy amount of ads because it has 5,000 views, and if it has 5,000 views, you should expect somewhere around $50 or so, with a $10 CPM or RPM, right? That's what you should expect, but it's a little bit lower, so people are not getting as much views, or I'm not getting as many views from it. If we go to audience, I believe it's, or it's engagement, we're looking for the duration. So people are viewing around 3 minutes and 53 seconds. That's the average. On the first day, they were viewing a lot more, but 3 minutes and 53 seconds when the time is a total of 10 minutes. I just wanted to review this with you because I'm going to be taking this money and I'm going to be putting it into Shiba Inu and then burning it off. Now, $35 is not going to change a crazy amount. That's going to be less than a million Shiba that we would burn off, but it's something. The issue is that I would have to pay taxes on the money. So anything that's less than $100, I'm not going to take anything out for taxes. I'm just going to burn it off because it makes no sense to do that. But I would love to be able to get this video higher and higher. So if you feel like sharing it, definitely share this video. Again, it will be up in the cards, and hopefully we can see this grow, and we can see this revenue grow, and I will keep track of this the whole entire time this is up. So if it gets 10,000 views, 20,000 views after the fact, that'll be great. If it gets 100,000 views after the fact, that will be great. So I'm going to stay with this, and if you guys want to share it, definitely go ahead and share it. Because I will be burning off whatever I make. If it gets over a certain amount, obviously I'm going to take out money for taxes, because the taxes are going to fall on me because I'm going to buy Shiba. But then if there's $20,000 in taxes, or $20,000 there, then $10,000 I would have to pay in taxes, somewhere around that. I always take out half just to be safe. You never really know. But anyways, that's my video, guys. I wanted to talk about Shiba, wanted to give you my understanding of where it is, and what I'm concerned with, and why I'm deciding to go all in. And mainly, I'm looking for these videos to blow up so I can go all in and then burn whatever that all in position is, right? I currently hold 9 million, and I will continue to hold 9 million, and maybe I'll burn off some of my own, but I'm not entirely sure. But there has to be a crazy burn rate for this to even get the a glimpse of it going to a penny or to a dollar, right? We have to see a massive burn over the next, 10 years basically. And I'm all in. So if you guys have any other good ideas, please let me know. I know I'm not the most popular YouTuber to talk about Shiba Inu, but if we can get this out there, it will definitely be good for the overall situation, the overall movement, I believe. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next